Sound boy, toiling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Welcome to Sound System Roll Call. This is the time of the night. We go from the 12 o'clock. And this is the time of the night, it's true for true. Alright? So, I want the item for those, don't overdo it and run the people out, but let the people can enjoy the music. Earl, you're a sneaky little fellow. That tune when you just get from Bodabi, we're going to turn it in a Bodabar. First tune right here, so. Yeah. What? Alright, the promote the sound system man and say they want space. So I'm gonna go to space here. At this time I only wanna see the selector around the song. Line up the song. Gangsta vibes there, line up the song right here. Yeah, don't feel up. Hot step line up the choke, don't feel up. Yeah. Line up on the tune, don't fit up. Love vibes, line up the tune, don't fit up. Ready? Are we ready? Ready? Let the tune them play to the punchline. See? Ready? One and go. Ready?
Yeah. Listen, I would say no. So many love vibes. And in a coffee, wow. It's a coffee entertainment. You understand? Squeeze out. I'm DJ Robert. Son, what is the way we lay this skirt? Father, I'm gonna put you underneath the dirt. Original beat finger win. Rub them off, make them shame. Love vibes can be so. And each and all when you want it. Father, running us on the day. Every time I play the bass, some boys leaving us. Every time you keep some love, I should have that we don't care.
Oh, you ain't to this side. This side. Oh, so not me. All right. No disrespect.
I said things need to change right now. Don't keep waiting, say dog. Say big man, this is a joke, Things need to change right now. Randy man, I'm the best representative for Mr. Sound. Easy yourself go over there, everyone. Big up Skanky in general. Skip and then. And it's time for a change. Think of every this is a love and dance house. Jump out so you better have the trouble. Right when you stand up and you make me on the spot. Oh gosh.
Yeah, that's this side. Enforcer.
Yeah, we see our enforcer. This is rock now a poster. This sound of come to kill off some Eden sound boy can select our just poster. Now big up like this and go Damien, cause some boy wrong with them to come test in a competition. Come to the team. See how big sound I want some boy where they come from. I said we hear them already. Enforcer out there. Yes, we are gonna kill them again. Alright. One more time again.
Take 6 back.
See that? When I hear that sound, I just want to move and get over town, see? A 6 pack is the number 1 sound when I looking at the crew. Sing patch, chair, don't know speed, fucking like Six pack don't care for you at all. Stop letting you make sense and how you feel so very
Gangsta vibes.
Well, sequence and step I want to keep the road card down so don't say gangster vibes is supposed to be there, you know. I would have to when it's a trendsetter, love vibes, enforcer soul, and stepper, Mr. Lexus and was gangster vibes and the sound and goes. Tell her like when the road is starting, the days on. It's a hard time that's leaving. When the cash is gone, we need someone better prepare. Cause when it's hit the song, and you don't cry.
Yo! Not doing more work. Alright. One more. Yeah, man. Come on, Flash.
This is the jungle boogie high. 8 plus Scarface and Mr. Bites. Camouflage, sled large. Stepping out. Stepping out. Stepping out. Stepping out. Stepping out. It's camouflage now. Yes. Yes now. That's it. It's camouflage now. Yes. Yes. Open sesame. Here comes camouflage.
Hot stepper.
Hey, I'm gonna say this is the original copy of the car. Hey, I'll step on some for the next. Them know you will give them all like grass. Hey, I'll step on some for the next one. Hey, come to find the city burning. Say, but I'm stopping, I'll keep it burning. Tell me I'm like a diamond, burning.
Love vibes.
This is the Love Vibe official champion song. You don't know, we're going to DJ Noel. It's with the way. Love Vibe is a bird that ends soon. Open
Which side?
Some last man come get around to big song this side of the town. Ask confirm my brother we ain't going no place for play big tune this side, we don't play 1, 2 or 3 play now. So select a whole of the tune and go on a DJ 17. You don't know skanking fatherland. Skin function! Hold on now. What is that problem again? Somebody not no friend here. Someone's up playing hide and seek. Run, come, face defeat. Someone about that track tonight. I miss that every day. What a different proposition is. Some like a miss and miss. Some like
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Enforcer Sound Station of Damien and Larry, releasing a more Dudley style from murdering sounds 24 hours a day. My name is Dr. Bill Smog and I'm breaking down the optimistic Frankie Dance All Pop. And for time was healing, and for time was healing, and for the God to them, I ain't got nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Enforcer Sound Station of Damien and Larry, releasing a more Dudley style from murdering sounds 24 hours a day. My name is Dr. Bill Smog and I'm breaking down the optimistic Frankie Dance All Pop. And for I was killing, and for I was healing, and for the God to live, I ain't got nothing.
Six pack, come from murder, any sound the dance tonight. That was in the place to be able to represent and recognize that 6 pack sound, kill any sound. You have a murdering sound, so boy, Johnny obsessed on 6 pack. Hey, right now we are murdering sound.
Hey, come on, that is better.
Yo, hold on. Before we bring in Gangsta Vibe, we don't want no spectator, we don't want no cheerleader when they come out here, so we don't want to spin up no tune. Alright? Because when we bring the needle on the third cable, the sound now will play. So we don't want to spin up no tune. Gangsta Vibe.
Yeah man, blessed evening. Big up to all the beautiful ladies inside here. You understand? Yeah. Oh, yeah man, we have to big up the ladies then. You see it?
Why am I this? You can't talk to him. We don't know about
World sound, man. You can't talk. World sound.
Singer. Along with you. Yeah, we're gonna kill all the big Gangsta Vibe song right there. Yeah. Big stop. And we're running there.
What on, Sanchez? What on? Big up the ladies then.
I am just everything from the ladies before.
All the beautiful ladies, what about?
Lately I've been thinking how good it was when you in the wine that I've been drinking. For once I feel my head spin.
I'm a big up the ladies before we're gonna kill them. See?
I got to be money, going down with your life.
Alright, kill them now.
Here I am, Gangsta Vibe
Yo, I want to take the time out to pick up Tech 9 in the place. New shoes, new shirt, party set on last night. Yeah. I'm sitting up dancehall hot seat in the building, you know what I'm saying? Right now,
bad sound and some sound for the song go on, and then we wish to keep with them move, the lean. Now, man, let them say, you got this, and that's how it says. What? Listen tonight, come on, flowers and clean them dead. Yes.
All ready now. Hot stepper.
What place I'm trying to repeat? See. Let's go. Good. See. Yeah. Oh my God. Tonight is the night. Oh, gosh. Finally, you again. You want to do a job of sound. I want to
A one-man army over here, sir. A one-man army. A one-man army. All right. Then I swam me, you know. Anyway, Love Vibes, touchdown.
Yes, I really now listen. I want you to know that Love Vibes sounds to the people's choice and means that DJ Noel, DJ Robert, Father Earl, and Bass Finger Wayne are now run things. Run the rhythm. Love Vibes sounds to your
This side, come in.
Step forward and listen to me sign with Farlex, Skipper and Skanking. I have the right to make me the warrior said this without any apology. Miss Style! Yo, stop on this for a while.
Enforcer Sound, Junior, Laddie, Murder Smarty, Damian, ready track. Them day, I enforce a killer deadly. But some call it Spanish Town, then we the very house back.
Six pack.
I'm bringing that in the place I yes. But the big sound called the Six Pack, three together said the kid, Fat Boy, and Apache. Who are the man and baby said? Kill them with the sound. Them little boy, they burnt. Now let's up their light. Six Pack can find them again.
Young survive.
Yo, that I use my $200 dog and kill your $500 and your $500 dog.
Some say I'm going to go to this against survive. Some boy may be like the realize this is against survive songs, so it's an easy land.
Yeah!
So they said, why I talk about going down for the spear? Anything I talk about, you don't think you know me. Sometimes I want to do that so defender. But now I'm some boy now. Some boy I rumble. And I talk to him, he said,
Camouflage.
Camouflage! Only one song that's also with this one is a little way. To show it the much of respect on the right and we say, no!
Security. You. Hot stepper.
One of them, two of them, three of them, four of them, five of them, six of them, seven of them, lot of them come. I step back up and chill. 5 nights now, what's about? Real things.
You know, there is no elimination. It's just friends boxing some songs. Whatever you do, test. If we should say go home, what would we say right now? So that means they come and flag and we step up in here. Alright. Those are the test. Nobody's going home. We all living here together. So, love vibes. Missile.
Yo, missile. That first round was out of the park. The dead, Skipper J! Yay! Lexus! Good! Do the bad things. Listen, sound! Listen to love! Someday you will understand. Oh, it's a special love.
Why do you call out my name in your song? Oh, okay, I got it because I said snap you that you can't run. I know what it'll be. Oh, we're not going to do it. Alright? Enforcer.
Enforcer world sound. We now go marshal. The muffin was when we about to feel marshal. Enforcer world sound. We now go marshal. The muffin was when we about to feel marshal. Hear me and we now go marshal. The muffin was when we about to feel marshal. I wanna powder with a bump on the sound boy and the sound gal. It's official, original, them burial. You can test Enforcer, the bird song. Crack them from, knock them down, and can't just pound and run through. Last man like Laddie, you don't know, Junior, Damian, no long talking, don't play back. Yo, Enforcer, the bird song. Yeah, champ. Hey, you can be step up against this bitch. My name said for fun to get some this. Enforcer, you give us a this. And then we are teacher with top friend. Enforcer, you are kill through wheels and fire. Murder, so we got the youngest alley. Don't go shopping at the street, but down
Youngster vibes.
Check. And step up. You need to change your name to Cool Step Up. See? You say you skip through hills and valley. The one on a big one. But me tell you what youngster vibes do to one. It's a rhythm in the way of 90 days.
It's camouflage, and then for us, another one for the yard. Why tell me then dance?
Yeah, hot pepper.
Yo, gangster. You come custom for hot step and they want to song on me. Me not play custom on that for no song on you. Me not pick up on nobody but see cause you come on hot step and we can't cool.
Come on, accept one, lock it up. One song more, let's chat it out. It's all it's all.
Take the last step right now.
Sorry, pass them, pass them. All right, we hear you. Ladies, we have a dunk for the ladies there. Ladies, are you ready? We have a dunk. This is for the ladies. All right, squeeze now.
And this is another exclusive Love Vibe Sound Station done by Renovation. I'll pick up the one called DJ Noel, DJ Robert, bass figure right there. I Love Vibe Sound of Fire represent the 1999 representatives. Squeeze it. Ooh, it's a Love Vibe Sound. It's a stars. It's a Love Vibe Sound. I love us tonight.
So like come in up there, we're begging and killing. But if I kill him, we kill him for 5 and shilling. Are we willing? F was to say, you understand it? Partner one.
Enforce some of them want to say they want war again. Landy, let them know some of them afraid of nobody. Because some want your allegation and take it celebration. Remember say enforce will never stop kill. Kill. Until you hear voice say kill no more. Send it. Enforcer. We never stop killing them. Can't change. Hey, enforcer. I want that name. Don't clap off love voice head. One more shot clap. Step on your step. Put a headshot in the gap. Step on step. Enforcer shot that bunk again. Do not know love voice of a time.
The man says us. Grow your natty.
Grow your natty.
You're a silent assassin. Hey! Put on the man.
When you get mean and from the acting greedy, don't do it for your speech. Ruthless, sound like less. Bigotry, apology, fat boy. This is the good lieutenant speech. I'm gonna Santa Claus in the place of it. I'm not hard. Why? One chap like one pass from that little song that this time about TV, what kind of fucker is that? Oh, sure. I'm saying you're yourself and gangster vibes. Still something I don't know, deal. I see that. Oh, what's sure. I'm saying you're already doing that. I'm just so very nice to be smart. But that's a princess side that I'm going to talk about. Gangster vibes, smash them down in arrows. This is a document. They don't show me.
Yeah, camouflage.
Now, the questions to ask, which way is on the whole wide world? The answer could only be our original camouflage song, but the man can't hear plus X, Scarface, and Tommy, alongside the original Rasta DJ Given General. Real bad island crew, breeding system, bullshit, really fair camouflage, really fair, takes the garden scheme camouflage, takes the garden scheme,
little sticky. But I hear no custom yet. Oh, the figure say that's all about, you know. Yeah, I'm going to play that volleyball there tonight. Yeah, I'm going to play that volleyball there tonight. Come in and step up.
Now, hold on there. Anyone was saying that please come to see my custom. Virgin, honestly, I use the money to buy a car and give people that pick up a drink. Because you don't want to step up and let so.
Whenever I step a sound, you don't know father and instruction. I step up and make a sound, kill sound, and make sound, and shit. Let me go around on the land. Can't you see what? Master! Master!
I bet you didn't play the volleyball. Anyway, love vibes.
You listen jumping around, they must print for Dublin love vibes rapper. Some boy world shatter like splinter. And that's how the true white represent, you know. But we got about it. Love vibes. And DJ Noel, Father Earl, DJ Robert, Big Finger with Mario.
The last time you man play a song, you know, the bridge, take nine, Lucian, and say, oh, where you get that from? Mine, you know, mine that application tonight here. Anyway, listen.
Yeah, original product for the sound like this style, so I don't know. I agree though. I thought on my ego, but now I pop out on the ego. Tonight you shall die. Look at that. Stop. And I'm the great sound, big sound, big sound, big sound. If you take another song, it's harder than other. If you take another song, just make that all the funeral father. That's why you got something, and I'm not running.
Our song now.
Wait, it's warring done from Clarendon, the son of Merciless. New Merciless representing fire. Enforce a word sound. I want to some clown. You hear me? Laddie, Davian, read up, warrior. Enforce a word sound. Never had someone can't when time goes, can't call. Enforce a iPhone and Jerry can't call Laddie. And Davian love me. Come on. Listen here. When enforce a phone ring, girl I know I'm calling. Now using minutes. We call the guy. Laddie, no sex smoke. They don't be much moving.
Idle Trend, and all of that.
Pop.
6 months.
6 months. Boy, I make slip shot to get 6 shot out of the blood clot. And Apache, when they attack you motherfucking niggas, you know the man called Speedy. Kill them folks, motherfucking niggas, you know E-Man. Oh, the man called Benny, motherfucking niggas, you know. Who them around pretty? 6 fuck up in the toe. Murder machine, this blood clot. From your side, 6 fuck you shoot down road. Don't wait till we fall, we don't fall, we go. Let's not go through the next song.
Yeah, survive.
Check. Hold on there. And step up. Back up your truck. Right there's a party. See? After we play the one and go. This is how you play entertainment, really. Yes, man. That's someone. This one that comes straight here. See? So we play hard. You see the main dance. You come with the dance. You see the club and dance. So what do you know is your dance music? That's what you're doing. That's the man. Music vibe, no acting, here, sure. And since it, before the song gets up the fire, then I'm so sincere. Taking the mood and out, and it's never end. But the night is always nice. Let's get together and have a night. That's how I go. Take a look at you.
You, the man said for back of your truck, but me I know that can work. Because the people in the roof left here. So come on, Flash.
This time is the time for dating.
You? Why? I don't know. Why is 3 laps come over here? And also one selector play. Alright. So go on and play yourself.
Youngster. It is not quiet. You have no background. Take it out of right now. Take it out. Let me tell you something.
Art Stepper, Father Nice. I don't know my Bushman I represent. I have to watch you more strength. Rick up come and when I'm talking about black kill sound with me. So I say Art Stepper sound, see. Open now. Run you on to town, yes. Art Stepper murder sound. Run your moon to town. I step up in a fire, but I'm in step. I'm in free town, we got never get
You. Love vibes. Look like the last in the dust. Come on!
You know we can't touch the side of the spoon, we will just earn you. You know the truth across the original background, stop up in the show. Now you turn to the hill on your family. You'll be on my face up. Run it.
This is like my birthday from Kitchen Jamaica, introducing to you the A1 roots and cultured missile sound system with the brother man, Skipper J, Father Lex, and Sky Kid. Missile sound.
15 minutes we have leave. Come on, the man will step up the game right now. See? Enforcer.
Champion Santan Enforcer and you want to big song and I dance to the maximum. See man like getting us big up yourself. See, you don't watch that one. No sound boy. Man like that. Don't watch the face. Awesome guy. All night long they go.
Yeah, what up there? Love Vibes. A long time we know your son and we are breaking. You bust up concrete down in Miami, lockdown, turnpike, when we used to play down in the warehouse. But at the first, we must see God key and sound on the pull up. You must be caught at the sky like a while there. You must be caught at the CD. See that? Then post on the world sound. Better than them, madder than them.
You are ready to see the sound today. 6 packs from the jungle down. 6 packs is so serious. The dangerous and dangerous. It's only the father and never want to spread. 6 packs is so serious. The dangerous and dangerous. Lord, all over the world, every song is in the
Youngster vibes.
Youngster vibes don't fear no one. I'm gonna tell you why.
Young fights I'm not gonna start. When we step over, we mean that. But I want somebody to do. Guess what? Oh, yes. Sing that. Uno better. Show me uno one. I'm original. I am the only one. But they will say, show me uno spin. If uno better, they don't eat that for me. Can't stop.
Regular tune.
Yo. Camouflage.
Camouflage is the #1 sound. When we hear the sound, we live forever. 'Cause we live forever.
Alright. At 10 minutes to go now. So we're not each, you know. We're not each. I'll step up.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. As I'm morning. I know some things first. But it's the first time to have this. So I'm in the way. I step up celebrate.
Alright. No, you see, if you want to kill the whole of them, don't tell you which shoes to play. No. Carpenter, bring 5 coffin. Play that tune then.
Out and let go!
Step to rock, baby.
Now we use the melody. General City. Say, oh, back on today.
let's get home. Come on to the team, come sing out by the sad song, my youth. I want to them boy. Oh, na na na, this is what my baby said to me, boy. Listen, this is a good sound,
Respect me, son. Comfort feeling to rest this evening. And I love that. Enforcer.
For some working their way back to dance on with a burning love. Yeah, somebody. You don't know names are the daddy. Yeah, man. Really, because the scientists who need no introduction, so. Yeah. There are lots of sounds in life, some that you may not like. You're gonna be very sweet, the rest of me turned all away. Hold out your hand and foresight, be conscious and foresight. And the works you shall surely fail. And in our tracks is all in the words.
Six bar.
Don't take it easy on that sister. Don't take it easy. No one wants to listen to this song. Now remember this song, daddy. When you planning to challenge your sister, make sure you're serious. Cause that can be dangerous now. I'm not your fan, no.
Hold it. We have 5 minutes to go. So you know that 5 minutes can hear, and I'm going to say nothing more. Can't survive.
I'm the father here. You don't know slapping with you one all the time, you don't know. Yeah, that's why I run this. Sure, man. I hear you so well right now. Welcome to the gangster life. Oh, yeah.
Camouflage. The thing see right now, one thing now. We're telling them right now, we're not kill once, not twice, and shots. We're taking out the whole family history. Some say boogie, some say tummy in the head plus. Kick it like a ball. We full of gun on the Gaza. Run some sound fine and find out them a bad John no star. When them a try, you must hit that crowd.
Hot stepper.
Yo, hold on. You see, too slow call me. Too slow. And I said, not more. Yo, hot stepper son. Father nice. Look how I tell them to be that dirty son boy yourself. Keep hot stepper out on the bumbo clan. Keep the son in the clan. Keep the son in the clan. Yeah. Look how I'm father nice. I want. Look how I'm the general I want. Let's go ahead. I'll step on the feet and on the earth. Father nice. You will be there for them. He's a step on sound and I pull it down. Father nice. Keep them there. Tell them say keep a step on him. Keep us on him. Keep it on your bumbo clan. Keep father nice there. Keep a step on him. Keep it on your smooth. Father nice. You tell them that you know they won't live. This a step on sound and I pull it. Stop calling Batman so we
big up yourself, DJ Robert. Next week, Father Earth, big up now. Some boy, the mother there's some boy, the mother some boy, that to move quick. Move it! Killing a some boy, that no time shit. I'm going to move it like a family. I was done to my son, boy, some like it. No, I'm not going to like it. Yeah, he never like shit.
Missile.
A missile sound, champion sound, no sound test. Missile the best, each man sound towers. Keep on doing Lexus, Tyson, Skanky, I reckon to know my man, original. Hey! The missile, champion sound, champion. Missile from the country, with a lot of play. Keep on some sound boy. Don't you run down someone, you won't get away. I know you will die. If you really get beside that the style, to become someone why I want to see you. Someone, rapid distance beside.
Alright, line up one more body show. Because we are going up and come back down. Enforcer.
I'm somebody to do it. Don't go feature young Johnny Osborne. Come deal with it.
Yeah, Enforcer say, this is all the talk. Playing with the champion sound. This is all the talk. You need a sound boy. It's not the time to play like a sound boy. And let the folks play if you got to little sound boy. We gonna go for that sound boy. It goes out your go for that sound boy. Let me tell ya, the sound boy. It's not the time to play like a sound boy.
6 bar. Let us one more tune.
They don't know which one to end us, man. They don't know like me and kid Apache, spilling here, ruthless and fun, but we love the town. No time, nothing. Down this motion. 6 bar. When guns and bugs on the motion, that's 6 bar.
Gang survive.
Much respect to Camouflage Sound, A-Class, Scarface, Hex, and Tommy. Camouflage fling a song boy in the gully. Some boy I play for it down. Some boy them, some boy them, some boy them.
Line up one more tune, line up one more tune.
I'll step up, I'm organizing up anything that's there, you know. This is the step up song. Champion sound. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to thank you all for coming on. Remember the 20th of this month. we have Secret Original Band Song, and we have Courage Song, special guest, Martin and Delta Force. So right now, that's on the 20th. Earl, it's a pleasure having you here tonight. You're gonna play one more song. You're gonna play one more song besides Enforcer gonna play one more. You're gonna play one more, and you're gonna play one more. You play one more, you play one more. Thank you. Earl, drop it.
Oh! Must do my own, man. You're going to do my nose. I don't fight songs. I don't so. DJ on the nose.
The champion one from Ipswich. With us. I just heard some people here say, yo, Sipachi, Lexus, Skunky. Kick it up like a ball. Matty. I think you back some. String up on me out. String up on me down. Some string up on me down. Some string up on me down. Like people from
Force of sound, the toughest man in the world, man. Remember he said that original, the carbon captain. Landy and Damien, I don't know. So she with a skill song. Rhythm track it. I made my decision. This you get to understand. And force of the mother number one, the champion. I'm gonna skin jump with that of it. We keep us out. And the team. And force of
Yeah, man, some six-pack and a big champion sound and the whole world know that. Yo, baby kid, you done know. Hey, yo, draws now. And when I say fat boy, I'm watching, you done man. Look, 7. Right there. Hey. Love. Six-pack. Oh. Hey. You know.
Sound boy, toiling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.